Good afternoon, everybody. You should also say good afternoon. Most respected Professor B. Ramakrishnan, distinguished speaker from Madurai Government University, respected Professor Jagan Nathan, coordinator DUSA, Dr. Prasanna, Deputy Director, Bharat University Entrepreneurship Innovation Career Hub, Professor Muttuswamy, Head of the Department of Chemistry, Professor Ramesh Babu from Physics Department, Dr. Sabri, and my dear student friends. I am exceedingly happy to extend a hearty welcome to all of you who have come for this first meeting, BEC Awareness Series. BEC is an abbreviation, expands this way: Bharat University Entrepreneurship Innovation Career Hub is called BEC. And I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor for having given me this chance to serve as Director in charge of this particular hub. Most of you may be aware that our Honorable Prime Minister inaugurated this particular Entrepreneurship Innovation Program through video conferencing on February 3rd, 2019. Subsequently, MHRD with the help of UGC, and of course our Prime Minister inaugurated at the national level of some select universities in India. And MHRD has identified 7 universities in Tamil Nadu. And our university, Bharat University, is one of the universities in Tamil Nadu for implementing this particular program. Of course, along with Madurai Government University also. Please give a big round of applause. This particular hub, BEC, was established only in July 2019 by our Vice Chancellor. And the main objective of goal, whatever we may call it, is to inculcate the idea of entrepreneurship innovation and the curriculum itself. And the concept of entrepreneurship is not new for us. Even the concept of innovation is not new. You are all familiar, some of your own parents or brothers or sisters may be an entrepreneur. But the point is, this particular program aims to inculcate that in the curriculum, besides transforming students to become entrepreneurs in the future. This is a very tough job but formidable one, but we need to understand the concept of entrepreneurship, innovative ideas, creativity and all that. And we are used to teach only subjects in the class in terms of concepts, theories, tools and techniques and so on. As students and researchers, we read and reproduce, score some marks, degree and get away. But here they say, while doing the program, you should develop the idea of innovative thinking, creativity, creative ideas. That is the reason we have invited Professor B. Ramakrishnan to inspire students to. It is very difficult to make students to come out of the box to think. It is easy for anybody to say think innovatively, think creatively. It's very easy for us to say, but for students, you must understand the concept, how you should try to come out of the sense. You should try to be creative only in the background of your own discipline. And creativity is all about, it's all about imagination. We are only thinking that very few people, very few areas like cinema and only those areas people can imagine it. No, imagination is possible for everyone. All of us can be creative, and I would say that all of us are entrepreneurs basically. That entrepreneurial skills are embedded in ourselves. You need to awaken it, you need to kindle it. And that is the precise reason we have invited Professor B. Ramakrishnan, such a distinguished scientist, was formerly director. Of course, Veganal will formally introduce him to this audience, and we are exceedingly happy to have him over here. And as I said, the creativity, imagination, innovation is all about implementing that new idea. And creativity is that everybody can come out with new ideas. That only forms one part of the one side. The other side is to convert that into reality. That is where the challenge lies. And it is possible, it is feasible. And I was telling Dr. Jagan and Dr. Prasanna, if you read the literature, most of the developed countries like USA, Eastern countries, even to take the example of China, they attribute the reason of success to entrepreneurship. So, of course, our entrepreneurship has been there. We have been seeing several people, and in fact, we have IECD in our own university, where they concentrate on people who are not having formal education. But here, this particular program is essentially meant for you PG students and research scholars, and even faculty members stand to gain out of it. So that is the reason in which we have started this. As I said, students are the stakeholders, and we all know that change is the basic law of nature. Everything is changing, everything changes at the blink of the eye. So we need to catch up, we need to catch up with the changing world. We have to be creative, we have to be innovative, without which we will lose the bus. And our mind is so conditioned that we always look for fixed income, monthly income. But this is the one where out of 100, there are 150 or 200 students sitting here. Even if you are able to make 2 students as entrepreneurs, that 2 entrepreneurs can give job for the remaining 198. So that is the idea behind it, and all of us can become entrepreneurs in future. And that solve the problem of unemployment, and you can give job for others. That is the idea. It is laudable. I would say it is tough and difficult, but it is possible. It is doable, and that is the mission with which we have started. Of course, with the able guidance of Honorable Vice Chancellor. We all know that there are several social needs which are yet to be fulfilled. And idea of this is to meet these social needs with international standards, which is possible. And under this program, we are going to invite all for team-based projects from students. We have postdoc fellowship, students and faculty exchange program is there, seed money is there, and the modalities are not spelled out from the communication of BUSA. So we are preparing the modalities, rules of the game. Slowly we will call for team-based projects where we expect students to come out of the project where there is trust for innovativeness, trust for creativity. Only those projects will be selected for seed money and for some financial assistance. Of course, I am only supposed to invite all of you and invite a speaker, but this is the program, the first meeting, so I am expected to invite all of you to give some sort of idea about this particular Bharat University Entrepreneurship Innovative Career Hub. So with this, let me once again welcome all of you. Please make the best use of it, and please learn to come out of the box, to think innovatively. We look for innovative entrepreneurs. You might even wonder, you might ask me, sir, you are a professor, why did you become an entrepreneur? For a question for which I have no answer, because we all belong to a generation of zero risk generation. But this is a generation, 21st century, where students are willing to take risks. Entrepreneur is the one who takes risks. So with this, let me wholeheartedly welcome all of you, and I am really glad and proud that we have Mr. Ramakrishnan with us, a distinguished scientist, who is going to inspire us. I am also really anxious to listen to Mr. Ramakrishnan deliberation. So may I once again